The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch folding 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It's the same size as the previous model, but we expect it to be brighter, more accurate in terms of color, and last longer. It will be protected by Samsung's new ultra-thin glass and have a resolution of 1812 by 2176. The folding display will now have less noticeable wrinkles in the middle, and the outside screen will be protected from water and dust. We get a 120Hz dynamic amplifier with Gorilla Glass over it. It will have a 6.2-inch screen, but the quality is unknown at this time. Samsung is said to be working on a much wider aspect ratio, and brightness and color accuracy will be improved. There will also be a punch-hole camera on the front. Now, the front-facing camera will be a 10-megapixel wide-angle camera on the screen cover. There will also be a 4-megapixel camera under the screen on the internal display. On the back, there will be a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. These days, the camera setup is the same as the last one, but the software might make it better. Around the world, it will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage. Of course, it will be USF 4.1. We don't know much about fast charging yet, but the battery will hold 4,400 mAh. We expect both regular and wireless charging to get better. As for connectivity, it has advanced 5G Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. It also comes with One UI 6 that is based on Android 14. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available in August 2024 for $1,850. It is a very interesting new folding phone from Samsung, since their smartphones have been the same for a while. We're finally seeing changes everywhere, which is great. If the cover screen is bigger and the aspect ratio is wider, the phone will be much easier to use when you need to do something quickly and don't want to fold into the bigger screen. The clearer screen and the many features made possible by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will make the phone much easier to use in general. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.